Hello everyone, welcome to Math Expedite. This is Dr. Sindhu. Today let us discuss some NCERT exercises on simple equations. Coming to exercise 4.3. First question, set up equations and solve them to find the unknown numbers in the following cases. First one, add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. So let us keep that number as x. So 8 times the number will be 8x. So they are telling we have to add 4 to 8 times the number. So we are adding 4. So what do we get? 60. So this is the equation we get. So now we have to solve the equation. Let us use transposing method. So 8x is equal to 60 minus 4. So 8x is equal to 56. Now I will divide both the sides by 8. 8 gets cancelled. X equals 8 7s are 56. Next one, 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. Let us consider that number as y. So 1/5 of a number, so 1/5 of y. So how do we write this? Y by 5. Okay. So y by 5 minus 4 gives 3. So this is the equation we derived from this. Now let us solve it. First let us transpose minus 4. Y by 5 is equal to 3 plus 4. Y by 5 is equal to 7. Now we're going to multiply by 5 on both the sides. Y by 5 into 5 equals 7 into 5. 5 gets cancelled. Y is equal to 35. Coming to the next one. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. So let us take that number as x. So 3/4 of x and add 3 to it, I get 21. So this is the equation. Let us solve it. So let us transpose 3. 3/4 x equals 21 minus 3. 3 by 4 x equals 18. Now what do? We will multiply by 4 on both the sides. 3 by 4, x into 4 equals 18 into 4. 4 gets cancelled, so I get 3x equals 72. So what I have to do now? I have to divide by 3 on both the sides. So 3 by x by 3 equals 72 divided by 3. 3 gets cancelled, so I get x which is equal to 24. Here, when I subtracted 11 from twice a number, the result was 15. So let us take that number as y. Okay, so twice a number would be 2y. So they are telling I subtracted 11, so 2y minus 11 is equal to 15. So this is the equation which we derived. Let us solve this. 2y equals, what should I do? I will transpose 11. So 15 plus 11. So I get 2y equals 26. Now I have to divide both the sides by 2. Okay, so 2 gets cancelled. Y equals 13. Next one, Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. Okay, let that unknown number be x. So, thrice the number of notebooks he has would be 3x. They are asking us to subtract from 50. 50 minus 3x, and he finds the results to be 8. So, this is the equation. So, how do we solve this further? Let us transpose 50. Okay, minus 3x is equal to 8 minus 50. Okay, so minus 3x equals minus 42. Now what do I have to do? I have to divide by minus 3 on both the sides. Minus 3x by minus 3 equals minus 42 by minus 3. Minus 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. X equals minus and minus sign gets cancelled. I get 14. So x is 14. Next one, Ibnal thinks of a number if she add 19 to it and then divide the sum by 5, she will get 8. So let the number which she is thinking be y. Okay, so y, then she's adding 19 to it and then she divides the sum by 5. So she's dividing the sum by 5. She will get 8. So this is the equation. Let us solve it. So now I have to multiply by 5 on both the sides, which is equal to 8 into 5. So this gets cancelled. Y plus 19 is equal to 40. Now what I do? I transpose 19 to the other side. Y equals 40 minus 19. Y equals 21. Okay. Next one. Anwar thinks of a number. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of a number, the result is 23. Let the number be x. So 5 by 2 of a number is 5 by 2x. So it's telling he takes away 7 from that. So minus 7. The result is 23. So this is the equation. Let us solve this. 5 by 2x equals 23. We are transposing 7 plus 7 we will get. So 5 by 2x equals 30. Now what do? We multiply both the sides by 2. So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. I get 5x equals 60. Now I have to divide both the sides by 5. So 5x by 5 equals 60 by 5. 5 gets cancelled. X equals 12. Come to the second question. Solve the following. Under that, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So, the highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? Okay. First, we'll write down what is given. So, the highest score is how much? They have given it as 87. Okay. Next, let the lowest marks be x. Okay. Because we don't know. It is unknown. So, twice the lowest marks plus 7 would be this 2x plus 7. So, how do we derive the equation now? The highest marks is twice the lowest marks plus 7 and is equal to 87. So, this is the equation. Let us solve this. How do you solve? 2x equals 87 minus 7. We are transposing 7, then we are getting 2x equals 80. Now we divide both the sides by 2. Okay, so 2 gets cancelled. X equals 40. Coming to the next one. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of a triangle? They have given us a hint. Remember, the sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so let us draw an isosceles triangle. Okay, so we all know 2 sides and 2 angles are equal. Okay, so let us take this. So 2 angles are equal here. The vertex, what they have given, the vertex angle is 40 degree. Okay, so this is 40 degree. So let us take base angle as, let us consider base angle as x. So they have given both the base angles are equal. So what we can write x and x here. So let us use the hint. They say sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So let us write that 40 degree plus x equals 180 degree. Okay, so how much it will become? 40 plus 2x equals 180. I'll transpose 2x equals 180 minus 40. 2x is equal to 140. Now let us divide by 2 on both the sides. Okay, 2 gets cancelled. x equals 70 degree. That is, we have 70 degree and 70 degree here. Okay. Next one. Sachin scored as twice as many as runs as Rahul. Together, their runs fell 2 short of double century. How many runs did each one score? So let us consider Rahul's runs be X. Okay. So they're telling Sachin scored twice as many as runs as Rahul. So Sachin's score would be 2x because they say it is twice. Together, their runs, that is 2x plus x equals 2 short of double century. How much is double century? 200. 2 short, that is minus 2. Okay. So let us add this. 3x equals 198 is the equation. Let us further simplify this. X equals 198 by 3. X equals 66. So what is their question at the end? How many runs did each one score? So X is Rahul's score. So it will be 66 runs. Whereas Sachin's scores was 2x. So what I have to do? I have to multiply 2 into 66. I will get 132 runs. So Rahul scored 66 runs and Sachin scored 132 runs. Coming to the next question. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Permit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Permit have? Let the number of marbles Permit has be x. Okay. So 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Permit has. Let us write this down. Okay. It is 5 times. Okay. 5x plus 7. Why? They are telling 7 marbles more than 5 times. Okay. How many marbles does Irfan has? 37. Yeah. So Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Permit has. So this is the equation. Let us solve this. 5x equals 37 minus 7. I have transposed 7. Okay. 5x is equal to 30. Now let us divide both the sides by 5. Okay. Here 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So x equals 5 6 are 30. So Permit has 6 marbles. Coming to the next question. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? Let Lakshmi's age be x. Okay. So 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So 3 times her age would be 3x. Okay. Now 4 years older than 3 times would be 3x plus 4. And what is her father's age? That is 49. So what does the question say here? Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay, so we got the equation. Let us find out Lakshmi's age. 3x is equal to 49 minus 4. We are transposing 4. So 3x equals 45. I will divide 3 on both the sides. Okay, 3 gets cancelled. X equals 15. So Lakshmi's age is 15 years. Coming to the next question. People of Sundargram planted trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. So what was the number of fruit trees planted if the number of non-fruit trees planted was 77? Let us find out. Let the number of fruit trees planted be X. So the number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. So 3 times the number of fruit trees will be 3x, isn't it? 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit trees. And what was the total number of non-fruit trees planted? It was 77. So this is the equation. Let us solve to find the number of fruit trees. Okay. 3x is equal to 77 minus 2. I transposed 2. 3x is equals to 75. Now I will divide both the sides by 3. So 3 gets cancelled. X equals 25. So the number of fruit trees planted were 25 trees. Okay. Coming to the fourth question, solve the following riddle. So I am a number, tell my identity. Take me 7 times over and add a 50. To reach a triple century, you still need 40. Let us see how we write. Let us take the number as x. So what does it say? Take me 7 times over. So 7 times the number and add a 50 plus 50, which is equal to reach triple century, that is 300, you still need 40. That is, we are short of 40. So minus 40. Okay, this is the equation. Let's solve it. Okay, 7x plus 50 is equal to 260. 7x is equal to 260 minus 50. I'm transposing 50. So I get 7x equals 210. Let me divide both the sides by 7. I get 7x by 7 and 210 by 7. 7 gets cancelled. X equals 30. So the number is 30.